Okay, so number 21. Simplify that expression. So, ang technique dito is, ilista mo yung mga perfect squares. So, ano yung perfect squares? Meron kang 1, merong 4, next 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25. Okay? I think, so, yan lang muna. Tapos, tingnan mo yung bawat isang number sa loob ng radical side. Kung divisible ba siya ng mga perfect square na yan. For example, 75. Is 75 divisible by any of these? It's divisible by 25, diba? Kasi 75 is 3 times 25. Ang 75 is 3 ka 25. So, we have 25 times 3. So, times 3, that's times, that's a dot, plus 4 times, how about 27? Is it divisible by any of them? Yeah, it's divisible by 9, right? Because 27 is 9 times 3. So, that's 9 times 3 times 3. How about 12? 12. Well, 12 is divisible by 4, right? 12 is 4 times 3. So, let's do that. Minus 5 times 4 times 3. So, the next step is to ilabas mo yung mga perfect square. Tapos, ibilin tong mga dili perfect square. So, square root of 25 is 5, right? So, square root of 25 is 5. So, labas yan. Tapos, yung 3, hindi. So, mabilin na siya dira. Plus 4 times, lagyan nyo ng parenthesis. Square root of 9 is 3. So, 3. Tapos, yung square root of 3, mabilin yapon. Next, minus 5. Square root of 4 is 2. 2. Then, mabilin ang square root of 3. And then, we simplify. Okay, so, tingnan, simplify natin, meaning, multiply natin si 4 at saka si 3 square root of 3. So, kaya naging 12 square root of 3. Tapos, multiply natin si negative 5 kasi 2 square root of 3. Kaya naging negative 10 square root of 3. And then, notice na silang lahat, meron silang square root of 3. Itong isa, 5 square root of 3. Yung isa, 12 square root of 3. Yung isa, 10 square root of 3. So, ang gagawin natin dito, i-add lang natin yung mga coefficients. So, i-add yung 5 plus 12 is 17. Minus 10 is 7. So, 7. Tapos, i-copy lang yung square root of 3. So, the answer to this final answer is 7 square root of 3.